Hi guys, let's look at this simple question that we have here. We are told that a rectangular farm is 1 hectare in area. Its perimeter is 500 meters. The question we have here is find the dimensions of the farm in meters. So in this particular question, we are giving some information that are very important. The first thing we need to recall is that the farm is in a rectangular shape, right? So this is very important. So let's draw the farm. The farm is in a rectangular shape. But we are told that the area of the farm is 1 hectare. Remember, area of a plane shape is the space within the plane shape. So the area of the farm is 1 hectare. Okay. Next, we are told that the perimeter of the farm is 500 meters. Perimeter of a plane shape is the area that surrounds the plane shape. So when you sum the 4 sides of this plane shape, it's going to give you perimeter is equal to 500 meters. Okay, but our answer is expected to be in meters. Area is in hectares. This means we have to convert the area from hectares to meter square. How many meter square makes 1 hectare? Okay, so 1 hectare we represent with a H is equal to 10,000 meter square. Okay, so this means that the area of this shape, the area of this farm is 10,000 meters square. Okay, so we can say that area is equal to length times breadth. Remember, the shape is a rectangle, so area of a rectangle is equal to length times breadth. However, the perimeter of a rectangle is equal to 2 length plus 2 breadth. But we know our area to be 1 hectare, which is 10,000 meters. So 10,000 is equal to length times breadth. Let's call this equation 1. Okay, and then we have 500, which is P, is equal to 2 length plus 2 breadth. Let's call this equation 2. So for us to know the dimensions, which is length and breadth, then we have to solve these simultaneous equations. Okay, so for us to do this, what we are going to do is let us first make P the subject of the formula in equation 2. So make B subject of equation 2. So this means, let's mirror this. This is going to be 2 length plus 2 breadth is equal to 500. It's the same as this. So breadth is equal to 500. When this 2 length moves this way, it turns to minus 2 length. So if we divide through by 2, we have B is equal to 500 divided by 2 is going to be 250 minus 2L divided by 2 is going to be L. Let's call this equation 3. Okay. Next we are going to do is substitute the value of B in equation 3 into equation 1. So wherever I see B in equation 1, I'll put this value there. So let's go back to equation 1. We have 10,000 is equal to L times B. So wherever I see B here, I'm going to put 250 minus L. So we have 10,000 is equal to L into 250 minus L. Okay, so let's continue over here. So we have 10,000 is equal to 250 L minus L squared. So bringing these values here to the left side, we have L squared minus L crossing over will become L squared. 250L crossing over will be minus 250L plus 10,000 is equal to 0. So we have gotten a quadratic equation. Next, we are going to find out what values will multiply each other to give you 10,000 and then add each other to give you minus 250. Our answer is going to be minus 200 and minus 50. Minus 200 times minus 50 is going to give you plus 10,000, and minus 200 minus 50 is going to give us minus 250. So we have L squared minus 50L minus 200L plus 10,000 is equal to 0. Okay, so factorizing, we have L is equal to L minus 50 minus 200 into L minus 50 is equal to 0. Okay, so this means that L minus 200 is equal to 0, or L minus 50 is equal to 0. Okay, so L is equal to 200, or L is equal to 50. Now, so this is our value of L. However, if you put that value of L to be 200 and you bring it back here, so A is equal to length times breadth. And we have been told that the length here is 200. Remember, our area is 10,000. So we have 10,000 is equal to 200 B. Therefore, B is equal to 10,000 divided by 200, which means B is equal to 50. So L, therefore, our length of this rectangular farm is equal to 200 meters, and our breadth is equal to 50 meters. This becomes a simple answer. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like the video, share with your friends, and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more simple maths content. See you in the next video. Bye.